So I find myself now leaving the house with a tune in my head, and typically it's one of like 3, 4, or 5 songs. Today it's the Rum Tum song. I can't even do it justice. Rum Tum Tum.
What song is that?
I don't know. And then, you know, obviously there's Baby Shark doo 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 doo, Baby Shark doo. Okay, stop.
Everybody now,
No,
baby
no.
shark doo 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 doo, baby shark.
And stop.
Just before the dawn, when the light's still gone, shine, shine your way.
So we had plans today to take all 4 kids to the Wild Animal Park, which has actually been renamed the Safari Park, but because I refused to change, I still call it the Wild Animal Park, except for what's going on outside, Dia, with the weather.
It's not raining, but it's cold and the ground is wet.
It's cold and the ground is wet, and there's a 30% chance of rain according to my weather app, but I think we should still brave it anyway. What do you think?
We'll just bring umbrellas.
Yeah, we'll bring umbrellas. It'll be fine. This one doesn't need her hair brushed, but she does need to eat, which means Mommy is tied up. Dad had to take over the Arya hair brushing.
I'm waiting for the hairbrush.
Hannah's waiting for the hairbrush. Dia needs her hair brushed. There's so much hair in this family. This is such an awesome sign for our day. Full arc rainbow.
Here we are, the San Diego Safari Zoo.
No.
San Diego Zoo
Wild
Safari
Animal
Park.
Wild Animal Park. We're old school.
Oh, wedding check-in. Should we get a wedding at the zoo?
We should get married sometime.
Yeah, well, we should do that sometime.
Never, never, ever fails. Mommy's got food. And Trinity says, I want food too!
Ah, eat it up.
Yummy! Arya is learning to feed herself.
No, everyone's eating.
Where are we going now, kids?
The carousel. Are you excited? I'm excited. Yeah?
Gonna start.
Let's get it started.
Whoa! Whoa!
Make sure you're holding her.
I'm holding her. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is it a little scary? Oh, it's so fun. I'm right here. I'm right here. Oh. There, it's fun. Yeah. Woohoo. That did not go well. Yeah, she's covering her eyes. We're just standing next to her abandoned ostrich.
Oh, Mommy,
Sissies love it. There. Hi, Arya. Hi. Oh, the sad girls. Oh no, they look so sad.
Sure enough, a wedding. That's so fun. There's the clan.
Yeah, she's only a month old. We got front row seats. Front row seats for the bird show. But she loves birds, so this will be good.
Oh my goodness. Whoa.
Oh, you see the bird?
Whoa. Whoa, where'd he go? Hold it. Whoa, where's he going?
Joining us up on the hillside is our female lanner falcon,
Oh, look.
Okura.
Whoa.
And she got it. Here she goes. Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Lacey. This is Congo. You want to wave at everybody? Yeah, a little Congo wave. Congo is an African gray parrot, a species found in the Congo regions of Africa. Now, out in the wild, these birds copy and mimic sound. And when they start to live around people, they do the same thing, but the sounds sound a lot different than their wild counterparts. Now, Congo here is a professional. We're going to test his mic. It's on. He is ready. Now, Congo copies things around our office like our telephone. Want to do the telephone? Here it is.
Is that the birdie talking?
He also likes to copy the sound of our water cooler. It makes the sound of bubbles. Marching eagle throughout the savannas of Africa. Now this bird, she can fly, but why would you fly if you could literally run straight up to your prey and stomp it to death?
Oh.
Thank you guys for joining us, and we hope you enjoy the rest of your day at the safari park.
Whoa!
Bye, everybody!
There they go.
We are on our way to see the elephants.
She's eating her jacket.
Not sure how much longer we're going to last in the cold, wet rain.
She's eating her jacket.
Okay, well, self-soothing.
Why did we bring this stroller again?
I don't really know why we bring a stroller when we go. It's to carry all of our other stuff.
Yeah, that's right.
One of the things we love about Safari Park is it isn't like a normal zoo. They are huge on conservation efforts and helping endangered species, and the habitats are huge, and it's as natural as they can be. As you can tell, it's a large park with lots of hills.
Mommy,
Arya's entertained at least.
Hi, Arya. Did you steal Mommy's sunglasses?
She did.
Oh my gosh. See the elephants? Arya, look at that. That one's playing with the ball.
What do you think?
Then,
Elephant. You say elephant?
what?
Dad told us there was a baby elephant behind the other baby elephant. We said, no, there can't be another elephant back there. There's just that one baby elephant. But then...
That is the tiniest elephant I have ever seen. You see how there's the big elephant and the medium elephant, and then right to the left, there's a little, oh my gosh.
It's me, you and Arya. Gosh, that is adorable.
Dad wore his slippery shoes.
Great.
How's it going, Arya? Yeah. I know, you're trying to get out of there. Dia wants to know why only babies get to go in the stroller. This is one of my favorite places when I was a kid. It's like this little treehouse bridge thing over this waterfall. What do you think, Dia?
I like it.
You like it?